Hello dear friends, students and viewers. Today I am showing you how to take a reading from a dry and wet bulb thermometer. Here you can see this is a dry and wet bulb thermometer. Okay, so this instrument is also known as hygrometer. Here you can see there are two thermometers. This one actually represents the dry bulb thermometer, and here this one is actually wet bulb thermometer. So the bulb of this instrument, you can see here, the bulb of the instrument is covered by cloth, and it is also kept in a water pot. Here you can see this is a water pot, and here you can see the level of the water. So this is the instrument and it is made by Jill. Okay, so here this side is actually wet bulb thermometer, and here this side represents the degree Fahrenheit reading, and this side is degree Celsius reading. In the same manner, here you can see this side is degree Celsius and this side is degree Fahrenheit reading. Now here you can see the small line of this thermometer represents 1 degree Fahrenheit, because here it is 70 and this side is 80. So total we have 10 division. So 10 divided by 10 equals to one small line mean 1 degree Fahrenheit. In the same way, here you can see this is 30 and this is 20. So here also it is 10 division. That's why it is represents 1 degree Celsius. Okay, here the divisions are same as in the wet bulb thermometer. Now how to take this reading? Here you can see this small line, small black line. This represents the mercury level. Here it is, this is represents the mercury, steel color. Okay, so this line is the actually mercury line. So here you have to take the reading just top of this mercury level. Here you can see that this is 70 and the mercury level is just exactly 72 degree Fahrenheit. But in degree Celsius, here it is 20, then 21, 22 and 23. So I think it is actually in between 22 and 23. So you can take it as a 22.5 degree Celsius. So it is the wet bulb temperature reading, that means 22.5 degree Celsius, and in degree Fahrenheit it is 71 to 73 degree Fahrenheit. In the same way, you have to take the reading from here also. You can see that this is 70, this is 80. So here the middle line represents 75. So 75, 76, 77, 78. So this is 78 degree Fahrenheit. In the same way, here you can see in degree Celsius, this is actually 25. So it lies in between 25 and 26. That means the reading is 25.5 degree Celsius. So this is the instrument. Okay, now I am showing you how to entry this reading, okay, in an Excel format, or you can take this reading in a copy also. So now I am showing you how to enter this reading. So in this table we will put the readings. Here, table for recording dry and wet bulb temperature from hygrometer or dry and wet bulb thermometer. So this column represents the number of observation. So it is not necessary that you have to take 2 times. You can take also a single time also. Okay, then this is the date column, then time, then place, then this column represents the dry bulb thermometer temperature, and this column represents the wet bulb thermometer temperature. So further I have divided into 2 columns. One is degree Celsius, another is degree Fahrenheit. So it is also not necessary that you have to write the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can write only one column also. You can take the reading in degree Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit also. Okay, So in this way I have to put all the values here. In my first observation, I see that the dry bulb temperature was 26 degree, and in the same way in the second observation it was also 26 degree. So the mean temperature is 26 plus 26, that means 52, and divided by 2, because my observation is 2, that's why I divided 52 by 2, and in this way you will get this one as 26 degree. Here you can see the first observation, it was 78 degree Fahrenheit, and the second observation is also 78 degree Fahrenheit, and the average is 78. Okay, next is wet bulb temperature. I have put the value of wet bulb temperature here, and finally find out the mean temperature here. Next, this column, actually this column represents the depression or difference of wet bulb and dry bulb temperature. So why it is depression? Because the wet bulb temperature is always less than the dry bulb temperature, so the mercury level is always depressed condition, that's why it is, I have written here it is as depression, or you can write also the difference of wet bulb or dry bulb temperature. So you can see here in degrees Celsius, so the mean temperature is 26 in dry bulb, and in wet bulb it is 23, so the difference is 3 degrees Celsius. And in Fahrenheit you can see here 78 degree, and here it is 73 degree, so the difference is 5 degree Fahrenheit. So this is the table where we will put the readings. Okay, so after that we have to find out this relative humidity in percentage. So with the help of relative humidity table we will find out this value. Okay, so I think you can see this table. So this is the relative humidity table, and here this column represents the dry bulb temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so there are two types of table. One table represents the degree Celsius reading, another is degree Fahrenheit reading. So here this table represents actually degree Fahrenheit, and I have another table also. This table represents the degree Celsius reading, and here it is depression of wet bulb in degree Celsius, but you can see here it is actually degree Fahrenheit table. So for conveniences I have just highlight this column, because our depression is 5 degree Fahrenheit, and our dry bulb temperature is 78 degree Fahrenheit. So just take this dry bulb temperature reading here in horizontal row and the depression in vertical column, and where this horizontal line and this vertical line coincides, that's value will be the relative humidity. So here it is actually 78, so this 78 value represents the relative humidity, that means 78 percentage. Relative humidity is always expressed by percentage, because this relative humidity is a ratio. Okay, that's why there is no unit. Okay, so it is actually represents by percentage. Okay, thank you for watching.